So the lovely Gilbert and Sully came for a lovely groom today, but they had a slight accident with some fox poo. So I'm going to do a small treatment on them, which consists of tomato sauce. So they're going to get this tomato sauce massaged in the areas where the poo is, which will hopefully neutralize the fox poo. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash them after twice, and you can see the bits of poo there. So I'm going to give them a really good scrub twice, blow dry, and then I'm going to do their haircuts. And here is lovely Sully, and I couldn't locate where his fox poo was. It was sort of all over, so he got the tomato sauce all over. So I massaged it in, left it on for a good few minutes. Here he is waiting. He gets his little scrub, 2 shampoos, and then he is blow dried. Oh, a little blow dry now. Ready for their groom. So here is Gilbert all ready for his groom. He just has a nice short trim, a 7F. He's a little bit noisy on occasion, but he's here. He's all done and ready for home. He's too cute. And here is lovely Sully, all ready for home and not smelling of fox poo.